Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Talking energy, and we have to talk about crude oil, which jumped to a 3-year high today, reaching as high as $69.55 on the WTI futures contract. That again is a 3-year high. It's a massive jump. The rally continues. And Brent, which we don't normally talk about here, but Brent went within striking distance of OPEC's $80 target. OPEC looks at Brent. WTI and Brent have a fairly steady spread between them, ranges between $2 and $10, which doesn't sound that steady, but it's not that wide either. But again, Brent got up to $74.75, so we are now really a whisper away from that $80 target that OPEC had, and that probably means the Saudi Arabian IPO for Saudi Aramco would happen if we got above that $80 level in Brent. That would take WTI close to or further above where we're at now, probably around a 74 level on WTI if we actually got there. Now, API and EIA this week both showed inventory draws. That is now the third week in a row, and this time of year we're normally not seeing those kinds of draws as we near the summer driving season and we get to a point where the refineries are entering turnaround to switch to summer blend gasoline, so they just simply stop drawing out. But supplies on gasoline have been so low, down around the low side of the 5-year average, that it seems like they're continuing to pump winter blend, haven't begun the process of turnaround. That could cause even higher prices. This becomes a cycle where the refineries enter turnaround and the fuel just completely gets drawn down and they have to pull out massive amounts from the stockpiles to refine the summer blend as quickly as they possibly can. Now also on Friday, we've got OPEC and Russia meeting to discuss the progress for their production cuts and whether they're going to keep them in place as promised throughout 2018, possibly even get an announcement to extend them into 2019. Behind this bullish trend that we've seen, you can expect a little bit of a shout of victory after that meeting and possibly some verbal triggers to get prices even higher so that Saudi Aramco IPO can get scheduled. The Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia has said that everything is ready, paperwork's all filed, the legal is all done. They're just waiting for the right crude oil price to launch that IPO. Many people think that crude oil price is $80 on Brent. So everything sustains, even though WTI is a little bit lower today. That spike up to the 3-year highs is very significant. We're looking for crude oil prices to probably trade a little bit higher after rig counts come out on Friday. This is Bob Iaccino talking crude oil from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.